Welcome to our journey into the future. In this film, we'll explore visionary cities and futuristic urban concepts shaping the world by 2050. From floating cities to smart AI-driven metropolises, the future is closer than you think. Join me as we turn our gaze towards the horizon to the cities of tomorrow. Imagine a world where gravity's limitations fall away. Cities once tethered to the earth now reach for the heavens. This is the ambition of the Sky City concept, entire urban ecosystems suspended high above the ground. With urban sprawl consuming more land, Sky Cities offer sustainable living space. Imagine stepping out your front door onto a platform bathed in sunlight, a verdant oasis floating amongst the clouds. How do you transport people and goods to and from these aerial metropolises? How do you create self-sufficient ecosystems in the sky? The dream of living amongst the clouds is closer than we might think. Our next stop takes us into the mind of Christof, a visionary architect who imagines a world free from pollution, where urban living and nature coexist seamlessly. His concept city is a testament to the harmonious marriage of technology and nature, creating an environment that nurtures both human and ecological well-being. Here the air is fresh, the streets are clean, and every corner of the city reflects a commitment to sustainability. The hum of traffic is replaced by the whisper of electric vehicles and drones, ensuring a quieter, more peaceful urban experience. Christof envisions a city where waste is not just discarded, but is a resource to be harnessed and reused, contributing to a circular economy. Buildings adorned with vertical gardens act as vital components of a city-wide air purification system, enhancing the quality of life for all residents. Automated systems sort and recycle waste with incredible efficiency, minimizing the environmental footprint of the city. At the heart of Christof's city lies artificial intelligence, orchestrating the city's every function with precision and care. Parks and green spaces offer residents tranquil escapes, providing a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Community gardens provide fresh, locally grown produce, fostering a sense of community and self-sufficiency. It's a vision of the future where technology serves humanity, living in harmony with our environment, ensuring a sustainable and prosperous future for generations to come. As our climate changes and sea levels rise, the ground beneath our feet feels less certain. Let me introduce you to Oceanic City, a bold concept that embraces the rising tides. Modular platforms like pieces of a giant floating jigsaw puzzle bob gently on the waves. Oceanic City is designed to withstand the fiercest storms. These floating communities are self-sufficient, powered by the ocean. Wave energy converters transform ocean motion into clean, renewable energy. Greenhouses provide fresh produce year-round, while aquaculture systems cultivate seafood beneath the waves. The United Nations supports Oceanic City as a blueprint for sustainable urban living. It's a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity to adapt and thrive. Chapter 4: Woven City, Japan's Tapestry of Technology. At the foot of Mount Fuji, a new kind of city is taking shape. Welcome to Woven City, a living laboratory where the digital and physical worlds blur. Technology is woven into the city's fabric, connecting every aspect of daily life. Autonomous vehicles glide effortlessly, orchestrated by sensors and AI. Robots assist with everyday tasks, freeing up human residents to pursue their passions. Parks and green spaces offer tranquil escapes, and homes utilize cutting-edge materials and energy-efficient technologies. Woven City is a bold experiment, a glimpse into a future where technology empowers us to live smarter, more connected, and more sustainable lives. Chapter 5: Millennium City, a green oasis in the Philippines. Amidst urban evolution, the Philippines is poised to unveil Millennium City, a beacon of sustainability. Lush vertical gardens adorn skyscrapers, transforming concrete jungles into verdant oases. Rooftop farms supply fresh, locally sourced produce, reducing the city's carbon footprint. Solar panels harness the power of the tropical sun, and wind turbines convert the ocean breeze into clean energy. Sleek electric buses glide silently through the streets, their batteries replenished by renewable sources. Bicycle paths and pedestrian walkways encourage eco-friendly transport. Millennium City is a blueprint for a more sustainable future, a testament to the Philippines' commitment to tackling climate change. It's a city where technology and nature coexist, creating a brighter, greener tomorrow. Chapter 6: Neom, Saudi Arabia's city of the future. In the heart of the Arabian desert, a testament to human ambition and technological prowess is taking shape. This is not just another city, it's a vision of what the future could be. Welcome to Neom, Saudi Arabia's $500 billion gamble on the future, a city designed to push the boundaries of innovation and sustainability. At its heart lies The Line, a 170-kilometer-long linear city, a ribbon of ultra-modern urbanity slicing through the desert. This ambitious project aims to redefine urban living. No cars, no streets, no pollution, just a seamless flow of people, powered by renewable energy. Imagine a city where the air is always clean and the environment is always green. Autonomous pods glide above the desert floor at breakneck speed, ensuring efficient and rapid transit. Climate-controlled promenades, lush with greenery, contrast the harsh desert beyond. These green spaces offer a serene escape from the arid surroundings. Neom is designed to be a global hub for innovation, a hotbed for AI, biotechnology, and renewable energy. It's a place where the brightest minds will come together to shape the future. It's a bold vision, a high-stakes wager on the future, a testament to the boundless potential of human imagination. Neom is not just a city, it's a statement to the world. Deep in the heart of Shenzhen, China's Silicon Valley, a new kind of urban landscape is emerging. Welcome to Net City, a sprawling testament to the convergence of technology and sustainability. Imagine a city where verdant parks and green spaces take center stage, where buildings disappear seamlessly into the surrounding foliage. The air is clean, thanks to sensors monitoring pollution levels and adjusting traffic flow. Electric vehicles glide silently through the streets, powered by renewable energy sources. Net City fosters a sense of community and connection, even in a bustling metropolis. Pedestrian-friendly streets lined with shops and cafes, where residents gather to socialize. Net City is a glimpse into a future where technology empowers us to create cities that are not just smart, but livable. Chapter 8. Echo Atlantic City, Rising from the Waves. On the shores of Lagos, Nigeria, a new skyline is emerging. This is Echo Atlantic City, a bold response to coastal erosion and urban overcrowding. Imagine a reclaimed landmass transformed into a gleaming metropolis. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, their glass facades reflecting the azure waters below. Modern infrastructure crisscrosses the city, facilitating the flow of people and goods. Lush parks and green spaces offer residents a respite from the urban hustle. Echo Atlantic City aspires to be a financial hub for Africa, attracting businesses and investment. It's a city looking towards the future, embracing innovation and sustainability. Chapter 9. Akon City, a cryptocurrency dream in Senegal. In the heart of Senegal, a vision of the future is taking root. Welcome to Akon City, Africa's first cryptocurrency-based city. Conceived by Senegalese-American artist Akon, this project aims to be a beacon of innovation. Every transaction is conducted using Akon's cryptocurrency, a coin, fostering financial inclusion. Akon City is designed to be a model of sustainability, powered entirely by renewable energy sources. Solar-powered buildings rise from the Senegalese landscape inspired by the region's cultural heritage. Akon City is a bold statement, a testament to the transformative potential of technology. Chapter 10. Plan Mars Project, Reaching for the Stars. The Plan Mars Project represents humanity's next giant leap, establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. This ambitious endeavor aims to push the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. This is about building a new home for humanity, a self-sustaining city on a vastly different planet, a place where innovation and resilience will be the cornerstones of daily life. Colossal domes shield inhabitants from Mars's harsh radiation and thin atmosphere. These structures are marvels of engineering, designed to create a safe haven. Inside these biodomes, life flourishes with advanced hydroponic farms and recycled water. These systems ensure that the colony remains sustainable and self-sufficient. Universities, research centers, and cultural hubs thrive, where the human spirit of exploration knows no bounds. These institutions will be the heart of our new society. Children, born under a salmon-colored sky, gaze up at the stars, potential new homes for humanity. They represent the future, filled with endless possibilities. The Plan Mars Project is a testament to human ambition, recognizing our destiny lies amongst the stars. It is a bold declaration of our intent to explore and settle new worlds. As we look to the future, let us remember that extraordinary journeys often begin with a single step. Each step we take brings us closer to realizing our dreams of interplanetary life. From the cloud-piercing heights of sky cities to the ocean's embrace in floating communities, we've embarked on an extraordinary journey. These visionary cities offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of urban life in 2050 and beyond. Innovation, creativity, and a commitment to sustainability will light our way forward. The cities of the future are vibrant ecosystems, powered by technology and designed with human well-being at their core.